Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to do another empty video, and this one is going to be the makeup edition. I hope you watched my previous video, which was skincare and hair care and all the random stuff that I wanted to get rid of. Some of them have been expired, some of them have finished, and some of them have gone like gross, not usable. So in this video exactly I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to show you all the makeup products that I'm going to get rid of. Some of them have expired, some of them I have used up, and most of them need to be thrown away because they have turned gross. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Before you go ahead, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. If you like my content, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button to show your support, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. So let's get started with the video. Friends, so let's get into the video right away. But before I start, I would like to say I'm not feeling that great today. In fact, I wasn't feeling well, and I wasn't even sure I'm going to film this video. So if I look a little bit sleepy or something like that, please excuse me. But I wanted to make this video today because I want to get rid of all this stuff, and Christmas is coming, so we are cleaning the house. So I just want to get rid of all this stuff so that I can move on. And I always believe that once you should always get rid of unwanted stuff, because that makes way for new stuff in your house, in your life also, and everything in general. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. Now go to start off with nail polishes for a change, and I have a lot of them, and I really suck at nail polishes. Like, I am not very fond of nail polish, so I hope that changes next year, hopefully. So the first set of nail polishes I'm getting rid of. Now I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Like, oh my god, I really suck, I would say. But I got all of these in PR, and I would say these nail polishes are from Colorbox. So this is a range from Oriflame. If you have watched any of my previous videos, I don't remember in which one, I did clarify that I used to get PR from Oriflame. I no longer get it, so I don't know if I'll be reviewing the product in future or not. If I do get, I will. If I don't get, life goes on. Like, I can definitely buy the products I really like, and I've been doing that on my YouTube channel. I don't think I've ever received that much of PR, like once or twice, maybe makeup wise. Other than that, now I don't do. I just buy stuff that I like and I show you guys and I make videos. Okay, so I was talking about the Colorbox nail polishes. Like, I have this one. So the ones I'm getting rid of are called Chic Pink. This is very cute and very nice. This one is called Coral Pop. If I have to recommend these nail polishes, I definitely would. They have really nice colors, and you'll just see when I show you some of these. I cannot find the name of this one. It looks like it's called Rich Pink. Yes. The next one is a stunning color, and it is bright red. Wow, look at the colors. And I'm feeling so sad to throw them away, but then they have expired and I have to. The next one is called Soft Red. Again, a beautiful shade of red. The next one was one of my favorites. It's called Soft Lavender. So I really like pastel color nail polishes, and I'm eyeing some of them, so I will show you probably next year when I buy them of my own money. The next one is called Soft Berry. So as I showed you, these are really nice nail polishes. I don't remember what is the price, maybe 199 something. I'll mention it here on the screen. So those were some nail polishes. Now again, I have some from Oriflame itself, and time and again I have been giving many of these nail polishes away, but then कुछ ना कुछ बच ही जाता. I think I will apply it and this that, and it never happens. And okay, I found another one of this Colorbox one, and this one is called Rich Pink. I think I had two of these, so unfortunately I have to get rid of it. So this is also a lesson to me that going forward, when I get a lot of stuff, I'm going to give it away, like without thinking, because I feel as I have grown into this whole blogging and YouTube journey, I feel less is more, and it's always good to keep stuff that you're going to use, and better to give stuff away that which you're not going to use. At least koi to use karega, right? So the next set of nail polishes are these one. These are all different pastel kind of shades, and this is from their one long wear nail polish range. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nail polishes, and unfortunately I have to throw them out. So the first shade is called orange orange sorbet. This is how it looks like. It's a really cute color, very pastel and very, you know, summer kind of color. The next one is called watermelon punch. So cute, right? Look at that color. Really nice, but sadly I cannot use these. This was one of my favorite. This is, I think, mint green. Yeah, that's what it is. Again a pastel color. Again my favorite. I really like this one. The next one is called Mystic Forest. Wow, such a beautiful color. Look at that. These ones are quite pricey. Again, I cannot find the price, but I'll mention it on the screen if it's still available. The next one is called Festive Merlot, and the last one is called Spring Grape. This was my favorite shade. I really like it. I'll definitely buy something like that in the future. So I'm quickly going to go over the rest of the nail polishes. Now there was this brand called C2P. There is a brand, and initially when they wanted to promote, they sent me these nail polishes. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this is the brand. If you can see that, C2P. So way back in 2014, I went to a professional beauty expo, and they had a counter there. So then I wrote to them, and you know, they kindly sent me few stuff. So this is the first nail polish, and there is no name but there is a number 84. So it's a beautiful golden copper kind of color. The next one is like a reddish tone, a metallic nail polish, and it's shade number 58. And the last one I have is a beautiful bright orange nail color. Now this one is more on the creamier kind of side, and this is shade number 54. So yeah, these are all the nail polishes which have expired. I also have two of these Miss Nails nail polishes. So they have sent me two of these shades, and I, like always, I couldn't finish. But this shade is called, if there is a name to it, MN26. It's a beautiful golden copper color kind of shade, and this one is like a deep maroonish kind of color. It's a metallic nail polish, and this is MN25. So after they send me, I think they have even come out with more and more shades and formulas and all that jazz. So you can check them out. Yeah, they do have an Instagram page, I guess. The next two nail polishes I'm getting rid of are these from Itex Dazzler. This, look at the shades, so beautiful. Now the only thing with these nail polishes is that it is quite thin, so you'll have to apply like at least 3 coats. This one is in the shade DR29, like Dr. 29. The camera won't catch it. This is for 75 rupees. And again, this one is same price, and it is DR, like Dr. 15. So if you have a Dazzler counter which is in Bombay in beauty center, you'll easily find it. Also, if you're living in Bangalore, Chennai, I guess it's easily available there. The next nail polish is the Avon True Color shade, and I don't know what shade it is, but yeah, I think it's called Hottie, HOTTI. It's a very nice color, but I feel this will only suit for, you know, suit someone who has like fair hands, because I have observed if somebody is of a darker skin tone, this doesn't look that great. Again, it's my personal opinion. You can wear whatever you like. And this is one of the oldest nail polishes I have to get rid of. It's called the Maybelline Color Show Glitter Mania in the variant Starry Nights. This was really popular, and way back then, I think in 2014 something, I used to get PR from Maybelline. So yeah, this was one of the shades, and you can just apply it on as its own, or you can put it on top of a nail polish, and that's really nice. So yeah, this completes all the nail polishes I'm getting rid of, and let's move on to the next category. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the eye makeup stuff. There's not a lot of it, but yeah, there are stuff, and I need to talk about it. The first two things are mascaras, and both are from Oriflame. This is the 5-in-1 Wonderlash waterproof mascara. This is really nice. I really like the wand, and I would highly recommend this one. Look at the wand. It has a curve, and it will really, you know, separate your lashes and curl them. The next one is the one eyes wide open mascara. This is how it looks like. I personally did not like this one, although the wand is really interesting. So you can go in the corner of your eyelash, and you know, it picks that up. but overall I feel that it's not that great. I mean, it's an okay mascara. Moving on, I have eyeshadows, and the first one is, I do not know what is the name of this brand, but it was from this website called Born Pretty Store. They used to send me PR, but those are the days I used to get. So this is like a 3 quad eyeshadow thing, very beautiful. There's a gold, there is a mid-tone champagne color, and this is a brown color. Really perfect for somebody who is boring. No, not exactly that, but for everyday use, if you want to go, these 3 colors are perfect, like if you're going to office and stuff. The next eyeshadow is one I would highly recommend. This is from Color Essence, and it is the name of this is, if I can find it, it says Pearl Finish Eye Shade, but there is no name or number. If I can find the name, I'll mention it on the screen. But this is how it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? And look at that. So I used this eyeshadow on my brother's wedding day, and when I did my own makeup. It's really beautiful, but one thing I noticed that the lasting power is not good. So you'll have to use a primer or something, and you will have to make it work, or a sticky kind of base, तो उस तरीके से आपका shadow ज़्यादा देर टिकेगा. Moving on, I have 2 eyeliners, and these are from again Oriflame, the one brush stroke eyeliner. So they had come up with these, and they had different variants. I think I've reviewed them on my blog, so you can go and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. So this shade I have is a plain black kind of color. What it is, yes, black, because they have green, they have blue, they have yellow, and this one is blue. Really pretty shade of blue, but I honestly feel that there's nothing so exciting, like, groundbreaking about these, because you can get cheaper variants, I mean a cheaper version with other brands. So I'm getting rid of that. The next 2 things are kajal. Now one, इसका पूरा नाम भी मिट गया है, and this is the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. This is my favorite. I've already used like 2 of these. I've also gifted everyone. You definitely should buy this. I will mention the name and links of all the products in the description box. This one is the one color unlimited kajal in ultimate black, and I would say this is not a good kajal. It's quite dark and everything, but it smudges like hell. Can you see a swatch? So definitely don't go for this one, I would say. And the next eye products are again from Oriflame. So there are going to be a lot of Oriflame stuff, because I think way back when they were sending me PR, they had sent me this, and now it has expired. So I need to get rid of it. So these are the One Color Impact cream eyeshadow. So I have 2 shades with me, and this one is hot pink, and the second one is orange crush. So this one is hot pink. Can you see it has already come off, like पूरा सूख चुका है. And the second one is orange crush. So these were like moussey kind of shadows. You have to use your finger and apply it. Very nice concept and a nice product, but I noticed it had a shorter shelf life. So now because they have expired, I need to get rid of these. Okay, so those are all the eye makeup products, and I have 4 products which are base makeup products. I may have shown you in my previous empties videos or anything like that. So if you have seen that, just consider that these are the empties of this year, so I have to show you again. Also, it's very difficult to keep a track of everything. Let's move on, and I'll show you the first product. It's the Spins BB cream. I have already done a review of this on my YouTube channel, so definitely go ahead and check it. It works great as a primer. If you want to go for full coverage foundation, this is the one you should apply. Like, it will minimize your pores and give you a smooth base. Other than that, if you do light makeup, then this can be really good for you, and you can just set it with powder and you're good to go. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish it, and this is a bigger tube, I feel. Yes, it is 29 grams. If you get a smaller version also, you could go for that, and it's easily available at the chemist shop. The next product is the Dazzler Eterna makeup stick, and it's in the variant natural. So again, I may have shown you in my previous empties video. So it's a makeup stick, but I did not like it. Well, now obviously the formula has dried up, but the coverage is कोई coverage ही नहीं है. And when you apply it, like, you have to apply a lot, and doesn't blend that perfectly. I mean, it definitely needs improvement. Also, this is like around 300, 350 if I'm not mistaken. You get it on Nykaa. You can check out reviews there as well. I did not like it. I have done a complete review of this. You can check it on my channel. So yeah, I'm getting rid of it because it has expired. The next product I feel is a product I did not like because I did not understand what it is. It says Blue Heaven Pan Cream. So what I typically understand that it's like a concealer and can also be used like a foundation. But look at the formula, it's so dry. I literally had to keep it in the sun, and then a lot of oil thing kind of came out, and I have tried it under my eyes, and if you have seen me without makeup you will know I have really bad dark circles, so this one doesn't work for me. However, अगर आप ऐसे कोई इंसान हो जो मेकअप नहीं लगाते हो या कभी कभी लगाना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं। ये है ब्लू हेवन पैन क्रीम एंड मेरा ये शेड जो है नेचुरल है। दिस वॉज 60 रुपीज़ and you get this much of product. So I think Blue Heaven has come out with even more better products. If there's something better than this, go for it. Otherwise you can give this one a go for the price. I personally did not like it. And the last product in the face category is the One Everlasting foundation, and this is priced at 1000 rupees. Very pricey, and I do not know what's my shade. Okay, it is called Fair Nude. This was my shade, and it made me look a little whiter than normal, but once you know everything, all the makeup and all is set, it would look really nice. So it was a good foundation. I have tried it, and it's more good for those who have like oily or combination skin, and the coverage was also decent. But the only downside is the price point. So now that it has expired, I'm going to throw it away. So yeah, these were all the face products, and the only thing remaining now are the lip products, so please stay tuned. Okay, so let's move on with the lipstick, and before I go ahead, please do not judge me and judge me kindly. I have a lot of lipsticks, and as I said, Oriflame used to send me PR, so all of these were in the collection, so I kept all of them. And as a YouTuber, blogger, influencer, whatever you want to call me, we always have to constantly make videos like red color lipstick, pink, this, that. So I ended up keeping all of them. Now that they have expired, I have to get rid of them. So can you see I'm going to get rid of all these lipsticks. I have done a video on these, and these are the one color unlimited lipstick, and these are in the super matte variant. So I'm not going to show you all the colors, but this is one of the color, and it is a truly matte lipstick. In fact, this is one of the best ranges of lipstick that Oriflame has come out with. This is one shade I'm going to show you. It's called Forever Fuchsia, and the formula is so good. Like, oh my god, look at that. It goes so smoothly and it stays for a long time on your lips. Although it's matte and it does feel matte, but it doesn't make your lips dry. So I really like them. So I'm really going to get rid of like 8 to 9 shades out here. So yeah, that is the first variant. And the next one is, I found these two lipsticks which I did not get rid of, and this is from Oriflame's the One Express Lip Crayons. So this is how it looks like. Again, the formula of this one was good. It was creamy, but it's not long lasting. So this is one of the shades. It's like a burgundy color, and this one is like a fuchsia color. All these reviews are already there on my YouTube channel. Just type the name in the search bar and you will find the review. Okay, so moving on, the next lipsticks that I have, and these are these liquid lipsticks, and they are from this Giordani Gold line, which is a line by Oriflame again, and they are quite pricey. I don't remember exactly the price. I'll mention it on the screen, or you can click the link in the description and find it out for yourself. I think it's around I don't know, 700 to 1000 rupees के बीच में आता है, I guess. So this one is Cerise Pink, and this is how it looks like. Such a beautiful color. So they have really vibrant shades in this one, and this one is called, this is one of my favorites, Scarlet Orange. So I'll just do a quick hand swatch to show you what I'm talking about. So they did have a beautiful moussey kind of consistency, and I think only one shade, which is the burgundy one, which I don't know, I'm not able to find it right now. Here it is, and it is called Elegant Burgundy. So this shade was really bad, and it was really patchy. So yeah, I'm getting rid of these lipsticks as well. And then I have all of these color box lipsticks. So if I can get hold of some of these. So these are the lipsticks. So they had like a huge range, and this is I think one of the most popular videos on my YouTube channel. So these are the color box lipsticks, and let me show you one packaging, like how it looks. So this is how it looks like. It mentions color box lipstick, if you can see that. So I have like a lot of shades, and all of them have expired. So I'm really really sad. So look at the shades. They had all different kind of shades, pinks, maroons, and I think they did not have nude shades, so that was a downfall. But अगर वो वीडियो आपने देखा नहीं है तो YouTube पे जाके देखिए. I'll try and link it in the description. One of the most popular videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so moving on, again I have random Oriflame lipstick. Let me show you that, and then I'm going to talk about other random lipsticks as well. So this one is from the One Lip Sensation Vinyl Gel. So this is basically like a lip gloss. This was my favorite shade, but then again once it expires you can't keep anything, right? So look at that shade, so beautiful and really comfortable on the lips, and the smell was to die for. Now this shade, I don't remember what is the name. It's called Purple Rumba. Very beautiful. I have done a lip swatch video on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. Then the next range of lipstick, again this one was one of the nicer range of lipsticks, I would say, and this is in the shade I think the rose red. Yeah, that's what it is. Look at these shades, so stunning, but I couldn't use them, so sad. Look at that. This comes in this kind of packaging. Now lately I haven't been very vigilant about what they have come up with, because I don't review their products anymore, but like I said, if I get in PR I'll definitely consider. And this range, this is called the One, I'm not sure what is this called, but this is how the packaging looks like. I'll mention the name on the screen when I find out, because I have also done a review of these on my channel. So this is like a creamy glossy kind of lipstick, now perfect for winters. Can you see how glossy it is? It's so beautiful. I use this in combination with other of my dry lipsticks. Yeah, so those were all the Oriflame lipsticks. Can you believe I'm getting rid of so much stuff, and I'm feeling so happy about it, so that I can buy new stuff and welcome new stuff into my collection. So yeah, I'm all about that. Now the next thing, I'm going to talk about few random lipsticks, and all are from different brands. So let's start with them right away. The first one is the Gala of London liquid lipstick. It's a stunning red color. If you're looking for a proper matte lipstick, then go for this one. This is 01 Hot Red. मैंने इसका review already किया है. Now I hate this noise that it makes, and it has completely dried up, so I cannot show you a swatch. Like, see, it's not even swatching, but definitely a must buy red lipstick. The next one is again a red lipstick, and this is from this brand Matte Look. I think they have quite a, they have quite उन्होंने और shades और formulas लाए हैं, but I have never tried this brand a lot because I cannot easily find it, to be honest. Like if they sell it on Nykaa, Purple तो easily मिल जाएगा, but then they have their own website, and then I don't know, I somehow didn't get interested into this brand. This one is a Matte Look matte lipstick. I had got this in a Euphorbia box. This is the most stunning red I have ever owned or tried, to be very honest. And this is the color. On my lips when I applied, I look like wow. Like I look like a celebrity or something. This is how it looks like, and the shade name is Poppy Red. अगर ये मुझे मिलेगा मैं definitely try करूँगी. You can try it and check it out on Amazon. If I find it, and if I find a link, I'll definitely mention in the description. The next lipstick is from NY Way. It's their creamy matte lipstick. Definitely creamy नहीं है. Definitely matte नहीं है, पर creamy है. And this is in the variant Raunchy as Rachel. Unfortunately, I couldn't use this lipstick. Like such a beautiful purple. I'll do a swatch here, although I've already reviewed it on my YouTube channel. Can you see that? It's a beautiful shade of a purpley pink kind of color, and it's perfect for now this party kind of season like New Year, Christmas and all that. So you can go for this one if you really like that color. A detailed review is already done on my channel, you can check it. This one is the Me on Rich Matte lipstick. ये कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलता है. I had got this from beauty shop in Kandivali. I really like this shade and my heart is breaking because I have to throw it out. Like, look at that shade, can you see that? This pink, it's beautiful, and it is called magenta. But then again, I have to get rid of it. I think I paid around 150 maybe for this one. Look at the packaging, it's so nice. It reminds me of the which is that brand in America, I don't remember the name now. CoverGirl. CoverGirl has these kind of lipsticks. So yeah, I'm getting rid of that one. This lipstick is one of, and this formula and this brand is something I would highly recommend. This is the Half and Half Super Matte lipstick. Now, I am not sure if it's still available, but if I find it on Amazon, I will link it. This is in the shade Hug Me, and this is supposedly a dupe of one of the Kylie Jenner lipsticks. It smells amazing. It smells like roses. So I don't have even place on my hand now. Can you see that? It's a stunning pinky brown color, and I really liked it, but then again I couldn't use it. So what do you learn from this video is that you shouldn't buy too many lipsticks. But yeah, but I'm a blogger influencer, so I end up buying, trying. Sometimes I used to get in PR, so I'm not sure about next year what I'm going to get, what I'm not going to get. But for now, I have all these lipsticks which have expired, so I have to get rid of. So yeah, this is the lipstick I would highly recommend because of its formula. The next lipstick is from L18. It is the Pop Matte lipstick in the shade Mauve Deep. Like, come on, like you have not heard of it, let me know. Like, look at this shade. It looks so nice, but I did not like it. Like, मुझे एक shade पसंद नहीं आया. मतलब ये totally hyped up था. I feel. Look at this shade. It looks nice, no doubt. But on my lips, I felt like it looks kind of weird, and I'm very used to like these kind of light nudie lipstick. Or if I wear like really bright lipstick, like bright orange, bright red. So this definitely doesn't fit the bill. So this is something I would not repurchase. However, if you like the shade, you can go for it. And these were priced at 100 before, but now you get it for 75. So yeah, you should definitely try it. Now the next lipsticks that I'm going to talk about are all from Blue Heaven. I'm just going to shortly, and quickly mention about these. This video has gone pretty long. I really apologize for that, but I have to do it. So let's talk about it quickly. So these are the Blue Heaven Artisto Velvet Matte Lipstick. इसका review already मेरे channel पे है. Really stunning colors, really affordable. Like, look at this shade. And this brown is something I would recommend. It's like a cool tone taupey kind of color. I'll just do a quick hand swatch. Can you see that? So beautiful. I think it's priced at 84 rupees. The MRP is 105, but you always get these for like 80 rupees something. Try नहीं किया है, definitely try करें. Really nice lipstick, but you can only find these on the Blue Heaven website, so keep in mind. The next is a lip gloss, and I was really sad to throw it away because I did not have any other brand that I knew of that makes a clear lip gloss. But then I found the Swiss Beauty one. If you like that lip gloss, definitely go for it. I have done a review on my blog about it. I will mention the link in the description box from where you can buy it, because ऐसे clear lip glosses बहुत कम brands बनाते हैं, and for affordable prices you definitely don't find anything. This is the glittering lip gloss in LG06. A very beautiful lip gloss, not too thick, not too thin. But I don't think so they make this anymore, which is really very sad. So yeah, I'm getting rid of it because it has expired. The next two lipsticks are from Blue Heaven's Expression line. These are like these, pencils, and these are the two shades I would definitely repurchase. And also one shade, I think it's 06. So this one is number 04, such a beautiful orange. I'll try and do a swatch here. Oh my god, look at that color. I really love it, and it looks beautiful on me. And this one is a pink. So the formula has kind of dried up because it has expired. If I have to recommend these, hell yes, please go ahead and get it. This was priced at something 60 or something 65 that time. Now it's 75, still very affordable. I definitely would recommend these. And the last lipstick for this video is this one. It's from the Gossip Matte range. This is a beautiful purple. If you're looking for a purple lipstick, definitely go for this one. I have to do a swatch of this one. There you see it has dried up, but look at that shade. Oh my god. Like I would definitely want to repurchase this. I also have a nude kind of shade. I cannot find it. So I'll be reviewing these on my blog hopefully soon. And I also, because I also need to get rid of this. So yeah, these were all the lipsticks and nail polishes and makeup that I'm going to get rid of. So like I mentioned, do not judge me. I am a blogger, I'm an influencer, so we get a lot of PR. Like I used to get, and now I don't know what happened. Like from the time I started my YouTube channel, I haven't. So I'm going to talk about in detail in one of my future videos, like what is my journey been on YouTube so far, and it's going to be very honest. So if you want to be connected with me, if you want to see that video coming, I don't know for when I'm going to film it, whether it's this year or next year, but definitely a video like that is coming up soon, in the near future hopefully. So I want to mention like what is my whole journey as a YouTuber, because I feel it's important to speak about certain things which are really bothering you, and let your audience know, so hopefully things can get better. So yeah, this is it for this video. These were all the empties makeup. These are all the empties, like all the products that I'm going to get rid of. They have some of them, like I would not say some of them, but most of them I haven't used because they have expired. So I would say these are all the empties in makeup. So empties in makeup edition. So this is it for today. I hope you like this video, and I know it's gone really long, so I really apologize for that. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it amongst your friends or on your social media. I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.